Good evening, and thank you so much for joining us. We begin with another dramatic and deadly turn in the coronavirus outbreak. Today, health officials in Washington state announced 4 new deaths, bringing the total to 6, all in the Seattle area. Researchers say the virus may have been circulated in the area for weeks undetected, and more cases are likely. There are now at least 100 cases of coronavirus in 14 states around the U.S. And moments ago, Vice President Pence said the first treatments for coronavirus could be available in the summer. There's a lot to get to tonight, and we have teams covering all angles. Jonathan Vigliotti leads us off in Kirkland, Washington.
King County, Washington is now the epicenter of the nation's coronavirus outbreak.
We have moved to a new stage in the fight to contain, mitigate, and manage this outbreak.
County Executive Dow Constantine.
We are in final negotiations to purchase a motel in which we can place patients who are in need of isolation.
Of the at least 6 dead across the state, 4 are from the Life Care Center in Kirkland and were among 5 that passed away nearby at Evergreen Health Medical Center. The 6th person in the state who succumbed to the illness lived in Snohomish County. All were over the age of 40. How they were exposed to the virus remains unknown.
They're being held hostage in a petri dish.
Carmen Gray's mother, Susan Haley, is under quarantine at the facility.
You asked for your mother to be tested for coronavirus. What did they tell you?
That she did not meet the criteria at this time. We're trying to find out what it is that they're doing for her.
How do you hold it together with such composure?
Not holding it together too well. This is beyond frustrating.
Tonight, fear across America is growing, with cases confirmed in at least 14 states, including in New York, where a healthcare worker who returned from Iran with the virus is now quarantined in her Manhattan home. And overseas, as the number of new cases reported in China slows, clusters of infections outside of the country continue to expand. Students in Milan are being taught virtually, with the number of coronavirus cases in Italy doubling over the weekend to nearly 1,700. Pope Francis caused concern, stopping to cough during Sunday prayers. Vatican officials say he's only suffering from a bad cold. In Paris, tourists have been shut out of the Louvre, the art inside the world's most visited museum, now off limits. But back in Washington tonight, there's concern the death toll at this nursing facility will only grow. And state health officials say resources are stretched thin and only the critically ill are being taken to the hospital. They believe there are many more people out there with the virus that don't know it and warned this could be the tip of the iceberg. Nora.
All right, Jonathan, thank you.